I create and make contemporary Māori art and jewellery. And then from jewellery, I've gone into clothing, homewares and lights. I came up with the idea of turning my passion into a business from the fact that I was making product in my sleep out at home. I was experimenting, trying this, trying that. I'm a tutu by heart. But my friend, she actually saw my products accumulating and said to me, why don't you try and put this on Facebook and sell it? So I said, oh, yeah, why don't I? She actually took over the reins from that, and then it's just kind of progressed from that. The steps I took when I first started my business was that I started selling product, making product, and putting the money back into my business. From there, I was advised to have a look at IRD and go on their website and look at things you can do for small businesses, like the workshops that they give out. I also looked at TPK, Te Puni Kōkiri, and they had at the time a mentoring service, so I inquired about that as well. The hardest part about having my own business, I think, is the balance between work, life and your whānau. You're constantly juggling, and you've constantly got to remember that, yep, sure, you're in your business to make things better for you and your whānau, but at the same time your whānau's growing and you need to, support them, make sure they're looked after as well. Honestly, it's just trying to maintain that balance. My vision for the future for Nichola the brand is honestly world domination. Yeah, pretty much that, world domination. I can't give you too much more because then you might take away my IP, so I'll just leave it at that. It's real hard to tell people and to talk to people about actually buying your product or even tapping into your service. So it did take me a long time to kind of build up that courage, and I started out small again, went to little markets and just talked to people. I try to keep it casual so I don't get too stressed out about it, but it is hard, and all I can say is just start small, be brave and keep going, because it's honestly worth it. Yeah.